Hello, everyone, and welcome to this webinar on employee surveillance and GDPR, navigating privacy, compliance and risk. My name is Anne Bevitt, and I'm a partner in an international law firm, Cooley, based in London. And today we're going to be looking at the legal framework for surveying or monitoring employees, some special use cases when monitoring, and then finally ending up with some practical guidance for you when undertaking monitoring. So what are the aims of today? Well, basically, so you have an understanding of that legal framework. And in particular, I think the really important things, the bases, legitimate bases for you to monitor employees' rights in relation to monitoring, and the requirement, because it comes up quite a lot, to undertake data protection impact assessments, or DPIAs. And then obviously another aim is to give you some practical help on how to do this compliantly with the GDPR. So turning to the introduction, why are we talking about employee surveillance? Why do employers want to monitor employee performance? Well, there are a number of reasons. It may be, as I said, to monitor performance, but it may be for other reasons. For example, to ensure health and safety at work, both the employees and third parties who may be, for example, interacting with employees or visiting premises. It may also be to meet regulatory obligations. For example, to record conversations in financial services industries. It may also be to protect company information and assets, for example, data loss prevention technologies, which monitor the outbound emails and attachments to outbound emails that employees may send. And then more fundamentally, it may be to guard against legal liabilities. So if you know what your employees are doing, hopefully they're not defaming people. Hopefully they're not creating contracts where you really don't want them to be able to do that. So that's the why. Lots of questions also get asked about where and when. So where do you want to monitor employees? Is it just at work or is it out of work, off and off premises? Is it during working hours only, or is it also outside working hours? And obviously there'll be different considerations depending on the answers to those two questions.